Hello everybody, myself Dr. Jagose, having 31 years of experience in the homeopathic field. I am attached to Dr. D.Y. Patil Homeopathic Medical College, Pune, Pimpri as a professor in the Department of Organon. I have decided to start my YouTube channel called Homeopathy Super Sessions by Dr. Jagose. In this channel, I'll be putting up videos on a regular basis on the topics pertaining to Organon and its homeopathic philosophy. Those topics which are difficult for the students to understand, I will be sharing my videos for you. These videos will definitely be useful to all the students in Maharashtra as well as all over India. I'm sure my channel will be of great use, so please take maximum advantage and see the videos and get good marks in your examinations. I would advise you, please study hard and share my video if you like it with your different friends and colleagues, and also press the bell icon for my further notifications. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.